Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and after that I decide what I work on. First start, wait for the terminal to be usable. One command to start stuff, wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. The time I can look what I work on, still class Spellmaker, and I need the tool chain for damage contribution to be filled correctly. Okay, it should be ready, so I start. Localhost. I lead all data to start fresh. And I play my Spellmaker. Let's start with... Should I... Let's play lightning, the easiest one. So, simple lightning, one click. I think it's... I'm an idiot. 1 mana, so it doesn't jump, I believe. Okay, perfect. Seeker or turret. When I go explosion, I could use Seeker. Could I see how much? 89 it is. T8. Autocast. I put autocast in. I can read level 13. Seeker cannot get level. Oh, explosion is the next one I can. So I make new spell, I go on to the next spell. Okay, I click this. Explosion this time. This is not... Are you? Which level is it? 14. It's 15. Clicking is not proximity turret. Proximity turret, proximity works better with explosion. But maybe I have enough levels. 15 to 17. Wait to move Fireline. So Fireline is the last one. I think I delete or I reset. Okay, this is still, so now I have Fireline. Okay, how much level did I get? 11. $13. in 7. Fireline is the hardest to, but I could put Seeker on it. Okay, so this should be, oh, it's only on one line, interesting. It's two. How much do I have? I could not delete, reset, please. Fireline, seek. It's not perfectly in the middle, so it might not hit. I again fire, seeker, and autocast. Okay. Does it not seek? It does. Ooh, this was nearly. So 16. This is 19. This means what is currently my mana cost? Set tool, I cannot see if I go to this pill. 69. It started as 1, I'm interested. So 17 should have jumped 1. 69 still. I guess I have 31% reduction, could be. See if this fire line is helpful for a king. Don't think I have damage breakdown. Don't have, okay. This was one I still overpowered. And I cannot level all tools yet. So this is the next. Let's close others. Oh, I have Inquest version. And I think was I for 15 or for 16? I had the feeling I was off when I looked. I don't think I can. For 16 today, so I lost a number at some time. Let me. No, oh, I just make for 16 now. Catched up again, and next is I do the tool chain. Now I am unsure where I have to do it. Explode just puts in the tool chain. Does it need to add itself? No, it should be already in. I get the input here, fireline. Would I need to create ability object Spellmaker fireline with the toolchain? I think I would put. Do I put it in? I have to decide this. Tool image. In the end, where it's less work, I would guess. These are not the ones I need to care about. So the create ability object Spellmaker are the ones which are important, I guess. So not the definition when I use it here. Here, fill it. Spellcast. I have the damage factor, but I have not the tool channel yet. Okay. Did any one of these have the tool chain already? Yes, here. It's after. It's after. It's after all have the tool chain. Well, wait. Spellcast. This is defined somewhere. This will need the tool chain now. Wait, does it need it? Yes, I need it. Okay, let's go to this function. Okay. And this means the tool chain in here should be tool chain push. Is it not? Because it changes the original. Is it this one? I guess it's this one. Spread the one before and do the rest. Okay, let's believe in this one. Is this really enough? I will find out over time, I guess. Do I have the copy value toolchain? Yes. Toolchain. Okay. No, he's not happy. What did I... Wait, no, I'm in here. Vector toolchain. Proximity. Toolchain. It's proximity. Turret. Toolchain. Okay. Here I spellcast. go over the create objects and spellcast, and this should get the first created object type. Is this the correct one? I believe this is the correct one. This links to the tool. Spellcast. This is the first stage. Okay, now I need the later stages. I get the next stages. This means I have ability object, tool chain. I spread it, and I put in the one I'm currently stage object type. Okay. Now I have problems because this is not only working for staging ones, not for the move ones. Which means I need special code to add move things. Do they do it in here? I need to think a bit. Lightning cannot move, Fireline can move. Maybe Fireline will be. I handle the move attachment. Let's cons new tool chain string array. This is this one, and I have a move attachment. Push this into, and I have the new tool chain. But this is also important for turret, which can be moved. Correct. Fill it, and I have a move attachment. Well, I check it has to exist, but I could, in the case there's a bug, might be more correct to do it here. Where was the Fireline? Fireline did it here, so I will move it into. I'm interested in this value. I have it for proximity and for turret. 4 plus turret. Let's push. I have the feeling I pushed incorrect things. No, I pushed the correct thing. Oops. Is this what I push? The thing what I queued, he checks both, I hope. He should. I don't know if he checks it everywhere. Okay, now I have turret, proximity, fire line. I think they're the only ones which can currently be. And he doesn't complain. Okay, so I can test. Class Spellmaker, I have lightning. I cheat a bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So turret, proximity, seeker, move, orbiter, explosion. So make one spell. I should do them one by one. Seeker doesn't work alone. I have proximity. I seek. And in the next stage, I do lightning. Okay, these are 3 and go. So my lightning get levels, my proximity got levels, and my seeker got levels. But my seeker got less levels. Interesting. Or 8, or 5. Wonder why. 8, 2. This worked. And I'm currently filling in duplicate. This is also not good. So double dip. Wait, do I? So let's reset. Start with a turret. Give him an orbit. Go to the next stage, give him a lightning. And autocast. Okay, next new spell, switch. I did Orbiter is level 10. Turret is level 11. Lightning is higher. Should check if they for some reason not matching. I believe. Mana cost of Q and spell. Oh, this is correct. This is not done. So I do proximity. Don't do a proximity. Hello? Did I break it? Lightning? So it doesn't react. Ah, I was on the incorrect stage. Okay. Again, proximity. Like this. Seek. And explode in the next stage. And let's do different directions. Proximity. Proximity. Seek. Stage. Explode. This is probably expensive. Oh, no, yes, and now go on autocast. .6 mana. Level 20, 16. I don't have fire line yet. When one ability got more experience, it could be that it's in multiple times. I probably should look a bit into the data. I check it. But where do I look? This is not where I want to look. Is to do something with ability Spellmaker, I would assume. It's not spellcast. Ah, no. I think I go over explode. If I do damage, I do this one. This is Spellmaker tool. Add tool damage. Spellmaker tool. Might not have it open. Yes. I think it was in character. Character Spellmaker. I have explode, so I go. No, not explode. Tool. I get tool image. Here, this is what I'm interested. I have tool chain, this int one. Proximity, seeker, explosion. This is exactly what I feared. This explains why they are different in experience, and this is why they have double I felt like they have more experience. Okay, I need to check this later. Eh? These were a lot. I had no fireline yet, did I? Oh. But would guess I'm far more the fuck. What was the damage? Commit log. Lightning did 200 million. Okay, yes. I can see. Damage scaling is now a lot higher. Okay, double entries means toolchain explosion. So does the spellcast already put itself in? Wait, I think it does. Because I was where? Here is spellcast. I put in the next one. And here is spellcast, and I don't put in the next one, I just put in the starting one. Okay, but this is the problem. Here it's already put in, which means the spellcast no longer should put itself in. This means go over the search. This means this one is double. This one is double. One does not. This one is double. This is not. I think I might have them. Proximity toward only fireline could. No, they also double. And I should, just to be sure. I think I don't need to copy here, but to copy. Forgot one. Explosion. Okay, so. This should work. But I can put myself in multiple times, or do I check? Go over the toolchain. So I award duplicates. Then I have to prevent duplication. think sets existed here, but I might do it myself if I don't use it that much. No, I think it is a set what I want here. Can I? I think a bit too long since I used sets in JavaScript, TypeScript sets. New set, add. Just want, let's start because as a native, unlike array sets, do not allow duplicate elements, making them useful for storing collection of unique items. I have to be careful because I don't think I cannot use it because Stringify or JSON stuff doesn't support it. So this is probably the reason I can actually not use them for my current game. Okay. But so I have to do this myself. So push unique. What does an array have an if toolchain this includes find includes index of and it's an array length map of let's just be sure. Can we always return true since this function is always defined. I want to see it returns a boolean, determines whether an array includes a certain element returning true or false. Element to search for. Okay. And it's not included, then I add it. This one I can easily check. To proximity. Please copy. Thank you. I'm missing one. Is the last one. Line. Okay. So here's one duplication prevention. And I need one more. Which is here. And tool chain is and so I get the tool chain, but this is this is fine. This tool chain I use here. Tool chain push. Okay, this should be it, I believe. Now I don't push things in twice. Okay, find out if it works. Class Spellmaker. Maybe I make a checkbox for if I want Spellmaker to be default choice. Then I don't need to open the menu all the time, but I'm interested in give me all tools. And I want now also what is the initial lightning damage? 1000, it should be 100, I guess. But it's the times 10 version. Ah, okay, okay. I will see. Currently it's... I should not have restarted again. Spellmaker, skill points. And I am interested to see if my things are no longer duplicated. For this I do, I guess, seeker again, proximity seeker, proximity 1 is enough. 1 is enough. Seek. Stage 2 is explode. Let's go low damage. Go autocast. Okay, here I have tool chain. Proximity seeker explosion, this is correct. Okay, it seems correct. Now let's do that. I again make proximity. I make seek. I go to the next stage and I make it explode in new proximities. Which also seek. And they explode. Explode, okay. Autocast, go. Okay, and here I check. This seems to be correct. Let's see. Stop. 10-6. 10-6. 10-6. Okay, this looks fine. This is what I wanted. Let's... So I have Spellmaker tool chain for tool levels. And I think this worked like expected. Now I have the problem that I have a scaling issue again, because this is done, I believe. When the tool is doing damage, it levels up and makes ability. I should check on spell different tool chains that they don't influence each other. And after this, I have to balance again because currently I have the multiplicative scaling is now higher than before because I have more tools to level. And it's nowhere explained that this is happening, but I can add it somewhere later. Okay, but I need a short break. I will be back. And I'm back. Check spell different toolchains. Okay, I remember. Okay. Did it change its size again? But it looks correct. Not what I... Oh, yes, I will need it, I guess. Plus Spellmaker. All things again. So I want different ones and see that it works. Let me start with an proximity, which should seek. In the next stage, I do lightning and another proximity. And the next proximity also seeks. And in its stage, it will do an explosion. And a new proximity. And this proximity also seeks. And its next stage, it will do a fire line. It's fire here. And the fire line also seeks. Okay. This I wanna see. No? Ooh. Okay. First one is toolchain. Proximity seeker lightning, that's correct. Lightning hits 2 targets, I guess. No, here's explosion already. And another explosion hit. And here is the fire line. Looks perfect. Lightning 2-7. Explosion 1. Proximity 3-4. Seeker 3-4. Fire line 1-3. With this, I believe. The only thing I cannot level is how to cast the spell type tool. This might be the last question. If these also apply levels. I don't know. But I guess now is balancing. I wanted to change the damage again. I have to think a bit. Is it really divided by 10? Let's divide by 10 everything. Not fireline. Fireline divide by 5. Lightning. So lightning can go higher in terms of jumps, but damage is kept on times 10. Okay, let's find out, I guess. Spellmaker. I start with lightning. And I do the normal max damage lightning. 100, 100, 300, 400, 500. 1000. Okay, I cannot seek with, and nothing of these works on an orbiter. I cannot gain levels to it. Two, three, four, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have turret orbit. So new spell tool, I switch over. I don't have autocast yet, but that's fine. Give it mana. Say orbit. And it should fire lightning. It might be a double lightning, but doesn't matter. Ooh, they do not gain the newest. I have no autocast, so there's one which already does far a lot, as triple damage. I think I need a higher. The autocast cannot level. Let's reset. Turret a bit outside. Orbit. Max speed. Staging. Fire lightning. And I put it on autocast. Perfect. Seeker explosion by itself doesn't help me. I could. Seeker is the one I could level with lightning. So I guess I start with Seeker. I believe I'm already strong enough. I have no idea what my level is. I don't display. I have 16 times 3, so essentially proximity. So I can level. Wait here. No, I'm interested how my damage is with these 3. Because I believe it's already more than high enough. Uh, and I reduced it feels of. Okay, it's. I don't see the damage per second because I didn't kill him. But I feel like this is not still too high. Or maybe lightning is too high. I believe lightning explosion should be The same damage. Level times 10. Lightning factor. Level times 10. And I have the damage factors which go from 1 to 10. Explosion can hit more. Oh, lightning jumps and explosion is AoE. And Fireline is half the damage, but it can tick far more often. So technically Fireline should be the... Wait. Fireline doesn't have a multiplicator of 10. But I think Fireline is from the mana cost. Where do I define the mana cost? It's based on the distance. Distance divided by 50. I feel like Fireline is currently... This is one... the equivalent to full lightning, isn't it? I think I have the cost. Fireline 044. Okay. I think this is more fair. Was not enough to level? Really? Twenty-one, 18, 28, 23. The damage feels low, but let's find out, I guess. Lightning Orbiter, Autocast. I should probably do a new spell. Over, and this is a lightning. 3000, 4000. This is level 8. I can go back to Fireline. I mean, it does in total duration more, but this currently only works because no, it feels far too weak. Turret. Explosion. Interesting. I'm not sure. somehow feels too. And if I go to my lightning, it's just. Means I also take a few clicks. Situation is what makes it strong. In the end, I will need to test, I guess. If I reset, fire, zack, 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 zack. I overlap a lot of fire, but it is not using a lot of space. So I can. This one I can now put on autocast. Shoot. Also, he doesn't shoot because I'm. I'm not sure about the fire line damage. It's very specific. One thing is I cannot increase it. So I would say I double and put the damage to 10. Means all start on 10. But lightning and so can start with a multiplier of 10. Time will tell. I still have 50 minutes. Do I play a bit around? I checked this. And now I'm into balancing. Balancing. Maybe my exponential damage is problematic because enemy HP doesn't scale exponential. So I'm the Spellmaker. I now do maximum damage, so I start with lightning. It might even. I want to go against weak enemies, I guess, to check something that. $11. This is... I mean, it does maximum damage, but because this level doesn't level with it, it's not as efficient, I believe. $17. I don't think that's good enough. Oh, can I skill? Maybe this is something for Fireline. Fireline is next. This is not delete. Can I make new spell go over? This is Fireline. Okay, now I manually level a bit. 5, 6. Okay, this was on 13 already, so it is... working effectively. I do... Let's take Orbit. Or can I use Orbit already? Not really. Not effectively. Maybe Orbit was the wrong starting one. Highline still didn't catch up. It's definitely the lightning strategy. And Fireline doesn't have a cap in how many it hits at once. Lightning has it. Okay. Okay. How to cast? Proximity. Do I have... I have no proximity, but I have no seeking or anything to move it. But I can regardless use it. Reset. Any proximity? Really don't know. Stage, lightning. Should be the same. Does that... I have them lying around. Run into it. Okay, seeking. Now I have what I need. Delete. Proximity. No, staging needs to... Oh, wait. I deleted. Reset. Proximity. Like this. Seek in this direction. Stage. Lightning. Did I have autocast? No, I don't have. Oh god, it's not high enough. Was is still time. Delete. Proximity a lot bigger. Seek to the left. Stage with lightning. Okay, I barely in time. Oh, now I have turret. Turret next. I could new spell. Go over. Turret. No, I have to reset. Do it like this. Seek. And on the next turn, you fire lightning. Okay. Oh, I'm behind, but autocast. I don't have orbiter. Autocast doesn't give level. It's only. What's the level? Turret is 16, 16, 14. Orbiter does not have anything yet. I have turret. I should go into this mode. New spell. Go on 3. So I do orbiting turret with lightning. Turret. Stage. Turret. Mana. Orbit. Stage. Lightning. Single target. Autocast. So, okay. Now I'm safe. This levels. Turret has level. Do they shoot? So I don't know where the levels came from. But they could have still be flown around. This means spell 2 is done. This is explosion. Is it? No, it's also lightning. Delete. No. With that, you go to be proximity. Seeking. And explosion. Don't have explosion yet. Need fire line. Then I make fire line. And the fire line is also seeking. And go on autocast. Okay, explosion. Next spell is that. So now my proximity. Let's do a few proximity. You seek. And stage, you have explosion. And now you go on autocast. Fireline 12. I don't know if my do something. Okay, what do I not level yet? Move. Move will be difficult. So where's this leveling? So new spell. This is 3. I would say Toad has the highest probability to do something, and you just move like this. And you fire lightning, because lightning has the highest chance of hitting something. Okay, and autocast. Here goes the turret. It's something, there's nothing. Move. Did move hit something already? Wait. This is now strange. Move did instantly on 17. Okay. But this means I have all... Was probably... Okay, getting levels. I have to believe it's doing its job. I'm so far behind in... I mean, this is boss 12 already. I'm interested in my damage per second. Far too much. Doesn't matter. I just need the damage meter and combat log. I did hit for 33 million or 22 million. Is it 24 million? Which means how many levels do I have? 27, 22, 27, 24. I need to think. I think exponential damage is not the correct choice here. Is it? I have to go to... I think let's go to one more spell. I think its scale is far too strong. It crashed. I cannot restart. But because I make him to a king, this can work. Character class Tamer? What is Tamer doing here? So it's definitely that might break here too. I have to delete because stuff. Now let's do cheat, create endgame state. I hope this doesn't add. No, the Spellmaker is not in. Let's throw stuff away. Okay, they are all gone. I mainly wanted this stuff here. I have 700. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This was too much. Okay. Speed might be money. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay, so this is fine. This is like I played a bit. The goal is to reach the god. And I do the same as before. Lightning. Maybe I'm a bit faster now. I have more movement speed, so yes, I'm faster. Turret. Oh, this is also... making him stronger. Proximity orbiter. Do I have everything? Turret, orbit. I think I have everything. New spell, go over. Have turret, orbit, and it shoots fire. It shoots lightning. Move autocast. Autocast is activated. I do not reset, not staging, new spell. Oh, no, I can go to the 0 spell. This can be reset. I have. Do I do explosion? I can just do an explosion for now. Like this. This. I should one of it. Okay. This is. Seeker. But I can't make an explosion to it, which seeks. But it shoots too soon for. Do some manual. Oh, I don't want. Okay. I think proximity 6, so I have my second spell. Reset. Proximity. You have to seek this direction. Oh, no. Seek, seek, seek. Next staging, you are explosions. No, not so big. Maybe this way. For mana, you go to autocast. Okay. I have Fireline and Move as the last ones, I guess. Oh, Move is the last one. Now I have to check. I have Move Not and Fireline Not. But Fireline and Move don't work together well. The rest I have. Okay. Fireline and Move would not end up in damage. So I make a new spell. This is. Maybe I just do. They are so fast. Seek, please. Go on autocast. I have to hope they do damage. Yes, okay, they do. And I need one more spell. Once I now need move. And this is definitely a turret. It has... Let's do 2 turrets. Move here. The thing is that I'm probably mostly running in this direction. In lightning. And also autocast. This is 8 mana. I need the move level. Find something. Find something. And go. Oh, they did. Okay, I have levels. So maybe they should. They will stay behind. Maybe this will do something. So everything one-shots me here. I need to check. But they will never reach me. I make too much damage. Oh. Okay, the turrets I place everywhere are protecting me from behind mostly. 54. Short break check. 28, 29. They are slowing down on the leveling, I feel like. Oh, stuff is so fast. 39, so I should see. God. It is okay, I found it. Now the question, how overpowered is it? I know, firing. It's... Ooh, they're so big, they're so big. Did I kill him? I did kill him. For a second he was alive, interesting. No, I didn't. No, I'm confused. He's no longer here. That gives me a damage per second. I thought I died. I was in the death animation, probably. Let's shortly check. Combat log. Lightning. This is far too much. $168 billion damage. If I'm not mistaken. The boss has might it did take a second. Okay, okay. Fireline. So how do I change it? Maybe the first 100 levels are 5%, and after it I do 1%. At least this damage scaling is far too high. I guess I try. Oh, it's additive 5%. This is so much weaker. Where did I define the damage? Was it in here? Here it is. Mm, cannot do this. I think the mana cost might be fine. This did not seem out of place. I mean, 4% will already be a big change. And I could cap the level of a tool. Would also be an option. This is also to my so at least I like that I need to use everything to get strong, but it's currently far too much. And if I add more and more tools, this will go out of control, I guess. I have to think a bit what might be a good replacement. So the beginning seemed fine. I then get more and more tools. Each tool increases the exponential scaling. And because I do more damage, also scale it faster, so it's because I have more tools also. Okay, I think I see. If I take away the exponential scaling and change it to quadratic, so to the power of 2 level, and it starts strong and gets weaker and weaker. Or I do 5% level and then it gets. I guess I can try if I would do. I just try. I could then change it to 10%. This is so much less scaling, but let's see. Same test. I am Spellmaker. Start with lightning. So I'm stronger early. Seek a proximity explosion. I think explosion is the easiest one. Oops. To make a new spell, go to the new spell, put an explosion in. I do small explosions. Okay, so this is it. Oops, no. Just swap a bit. Seek alone doesn't do anything with the things I have currently. Oops, I'm blind. Move Fireline. Fireline is usable. I can do new spell, go over, and here do Fireline. And it generates level for me. Okay. I have so much money because I defeated the god. Okay. I had to sneeze. Seeker turret. Turret, but I don't have orbiting or something. Switch to damage seems I don't know if I can. Orbiter. I think I have everything for my. It's my lightning. I reset. I have a turret. I orbit. And I fire lightning. Oh, I don't have the autocast. This is now my protection. Okay, now I have Seeker, but I don't have proximity. I think I keep this for now. And I don't have autocast, okay. But I remember I did proximity, but no autocast. I think I want the autocast. This goes on autocast. Next spell was... I don't see. I don't have anything on here. Ah, I'm on the stage. Okay, this is explosion. Explosion I usually do with Seeker and proximity. I don't have proximity yet. So, few levels. Proximity. So I clear with that. Now I have proximity. I have to seek. And they will explode. Maximum damage. Okay, go. They're firing. What's this damage? No. It's just. Did I reload? Yes, the damage numbers are a lot smaller, I believe. Well, but it's still more than strong enough. I don't have fire line. Okay, now I have the move tool. Now I go to spell 3, which is fire line. Fire line. I will just do simple seekers. Also go in autocast. New spell. And here I need to move. This will be the turret. Move. You defend from behind. And you fire lightning. Okay, also autocast, and with this, I think I get everything. Yes. So all tools are leveling. 18. And I will see if this is manageable. It's not guaranteed anymore, I guess. But if I would go more, I mean, I'm out of tools. I don't get any more levels, and I did survive on bullets. Is also good. I feel like my protection wing is getting thinner. So I should not run too fast, I believe. Are my levels 19? Yes, I'm a lot. Interesting that move is so high. That my behind protection is doing its job. Or protecting a lot. Oof, oh god. Okay, I survived a tick. This could be close if I reach the god. What is the next? 377. I should. I go a bit slower that my protection wing is big enough. Yeah, okay. Survived. Oh, this was close. Can I stay here and regenerate, or will they? time-wise, I'm fine, I guess. Close, close. Okay, I should see. Yeah, there it is. Good area. One. Okay, I'm safe. Oh, boss, boss. This is the most. Does the boss teleport? Level boss kill. Interesting. Oh, it started. Now this damage output is far more acceptable, I would say. Oops. He cannot pull him. These are now the biggest. They are. Oh god. No, I kited them around. Both shields? Where's the next shield? Down here, okay. God. Shield is up. Come. Can barely squeeze through here. Died. Okay, but maybe this is fine. Spellmaker level 333. I think a bit. I mean, it cannot grow strong enough to defeat the hard mode version, I guess. But I could have farmed, let's say if I add 3 more tools, then I would have, I can see it, what I had, I think 25. I mean, a few more levels, and I would assume also I can deactivate the things I don't need for this boss. I don't even know what Fireline should do the most, I guess. Does it? I could try. Let's delete all spells. I'm on autocast. I'm that, so I'm nothing. I believe Fireline is the strongest. So Fireline, 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 Fireline. Seek, 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 seek. Autocast. Maybe it's even not enough. Let's add a few more. because small ones are enough. Seek. Okay, now I go press F to use fight retry, and I go on autocast. And this is definitely doing more damage. Oh. Okay. And I killed him. This is also enough to trigger, probably. So... I think this is fair, but it felt fair. Was it scaling? Spellmaker scaling. Commit, and I am on my 2-hour mark. I guess I come to an end. I balanced. And if I think this is fair. Maybe few more tools. But I could next time probably start with the UX stuff and updating my code to support. This will be complicated, but doable. Support more different network information. Okay, this is at least in here. So I run the tests. It should still work. So far it looks fine. Okay, everything works, no failed tests. Then I can push. And with this, I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. The end.